Hi, hello everyone. I'm Yifei Jia from the Beijing Forestry University, and just now Chen Qing said we chief and also MCF start a new project for the spoonbill sandpiper, and I will this project is for the saving the spawning and also its habitat in the, along the flyway. So just now, I think everybody know all the country sharing the flyway, we call EAF. And this flyway is most endangered flyway on the world. We have more than 50 million migration waterbird, more than 200 population species, and more than 50 global threatened and nearly threatened species. But most of the, many of the shorebirds have a very quick decrease in its population. And in this flyway, and we focus on the yellow sea ecoregion. The yellow sea ecoregion is the key size.
Trial.
And we focus on the one most endangered and rare birds named spoonbill sandpiper. Everyone knows he is a critical endangered species in Asian-Australasian, and now only more than 600 individuals, and its annual population decrease is very fast. But we didn't know more about this species. We didn't know where half of the population where it stopped. So we start the project. So we think about how to do. We can save the project, save the spoonbill sandpiper, the very rare birds. So our team, I think, long scale and more effective biodiversity conservation urgent science-based solution, and we need more public participants. And just Chen Qing said, we do more work with the public. So I introduced some science-based solution of our team. So here is some action for our center for the EF conservation. And first of all, and we set up a new center and build up a team, and such as we start a long-term project and also work with more stakeholders for along the flyway, and start national scale research and also site scale research for conservation. We start our center at the 2018, and the end of the 2010 at the EIP MOP 10, we signed an agreement with Mangrove Foundation and started the new the Saving Spoonbill Sandpiper project. We want to work this project for 10 years. And then our center is signed agreement with the EIP secretary, and our team also be the member of secretary. We established the EIP science unit. And then we invited such as Dr. Peng Hebo and also Nikki Yang to join us local team to work with us. And then we suppose the new heritage site of Yellow Sea. Our leader is Professor Lei Guangchun, and our team helped to set up the new heritage site in Yancheng. And now we are working on the phase 2 of the Yellow Sea heritage site and help the local national reserve and other protect area to prepare their document for to be hoped them to be the new heritage sites. And just now, Chengqing site, we set up a new airlines for spoonbill sandpiper conservation. And for the local research, we set up a new research station at the Tiaozini area. And we want to, at the Tiaozini to do more research there. I will say later. And then we start the national scale research. The first one is we know the food resource is the key element of the migration waterbird. So we start the full research of the spoonbill sandpiper and other shorebirds were evaluated at the 26 locations along the coast of the China in spring, from the Guangxi province to the Yalujiang, and is cover all the China coastland wetland. And another work is work with many stakeholder and NGO and GO and other organization to carry out the spoonbill and the shorebird census in the migration season. Here is here is the spring seasons in spoonbill sandpiper spring seasons in China. We in the 2019 the spring migration season, we found 5 places to find the spoonbill sandpiper, and the most population is in Tiaozini. And in this spring, we do the same, and we found Tiaozini is the most important place for the spoonbill sandpiper. And then we cooperation with the spoonbill sandpiper task force and do the simulated survey with Southeast Asia College, and we do the wintering census in the world. And here is the results in China. Last year, we found 25 individuals of the spoonbill sandpiper, and this year we found 49 individuals. And the most important site is in Leizhou Peninsula, and in this area. We know the key area is Yellow Sea ecoregion, and the most important place, one of the most important place, is the Tiaozini. And we know Tiaozini contains the most important significant nature habitat for in-situ conservation and biodiversity, including rows contain certain species outstanding universal value for the point video science and or conservation. Here is the area of the Tiaozini, and at this area, we work with the local government to manage the Tiaozini wetland, and we start some works. One is high tide habitat in water level control and consumed tourists, and we plan with and also the future tourism planning, and also we do some spotina control environment. Here is use the herbicide control the spotina there, because in this area, in this year, the spotina come out very quick in the Tiaozini area and covered a huge area, huge area in Tiaozini. And then in this year, 然后we cooperation with the local government here a fish pond at this place, and here is 720 hectare no, 30, almost 30 hectare area fish pond for the shorebird as a for the habitat high tide habitat. This in this year is in the recent fall migrant season. We do half month survey in this area. We can saw in this fish town, this high tide habitat, they have more in the September. They have more than 15,000 waterbirds use this fish pond. Is a large number of the waterbirds there. And we call this is the satellite. This is the photo of this fish pond. The waterbirds use this this mudfly there. Here is some result come out for the most important for the threatened and waterbird here. And in the September 18, we found 1,150 spotted gray shank here. This number, I think, is the maximum record in one place for the endangered species. And also, we carry out the whole Tiaozini area waterbird sensor each half month. In the maximum, we count more than 120,000 waterbirds in the October 18.
Sorry, Yifei, and we needed to stop to the on time. And could you conclude? And do you need to more?
Yeah. Okay. And also we do some spoonbill sandpiper, spoonbill sample survey, and also the invertebrate survey, and also human activity survey there. So I think we need to encourage more participate, and thank you for everybody.